Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a 150 volt DC surge protection device SPD for my solar inverter, which has a 145 volt max input. Yeah, I know it's a weird voltage range, but hey, we work with what we have got. When lightning strikes nearby, it can induce a massive electromagnetic surge in your solar wire, especially if those wires are long. The longer the wire, the higher the chance of voltage induction. And yes, that voltage can reach millions of volts. While this won't protect you from a direct hit, it does offer some level of protection, which is better than none. Most DC SPDs available are rated for 600 volt or higher, and I couldn't find anything suitable for my low level setup, so I decided to build my own. I started with a rough vision, just some MOVs, metal oxide varistor and TVS diodes, soldered together. Not pretty, but it worked. I fired up my PC, opened Easy EDA and designed a proper schematics using MOVs and TVS diode. Then I created a visually appealing PCB layout, and yes, I went a little OCD on the terminals. I exported the Gerber files and sent them to JLCPCB to bake some fresh PCB cookies. After 7 days, they arrived, and wow, they look beautiful. I salvaged parts from my old prototype, carefully inserting all the components, and added a GDT, gas discharge tube. These bad boys can handle 10 to 20k amps, huge number. Now I have got 3 layers of protection, MOVs, TVS diodes and GDTs. I can finally sleep better knowing my solar setup is safer. If you are from India and want to buy these SPDs or any of my other products, feel free to contact me via Instagram. The link is in the description below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you found this helpful. That's all for today's guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for next video.